Well, here we are, 25th of November. We're kind of pretty much towards the top of the hill, looking across towards the Malverns that way. We're about 800 feet up above sea level. It's a cover crop after winter wheat last year, and it's going into spring barley. In 2 minds earlier in the summer about planting. We didn't actually plant this until the end of August, so probably 3 weeks or so after we would normally have done it, but it has grown really well. It was slow to get going, and then has really picked up over the latter part of this sort of nice warm open autumn, I guess. Mixed species, predominantly oats, linseed, some berseem clover in here, bit of fodder radish, a few stubble turnips, a bit of tillage radish, odd bit of buckwheat, and this will hopefully feed the sheep after Christmas when they finish going around all the grass. And there's some vetches in here as well. Just seen there's a bit more vetch and berseem clover there. Vetch is starting to nodulate already, fix nitrogen. It's a lovely lush green canopy, so a lot of N being taken up. The sheep will recycle that, ready for the spring barley that goes in, hopefully late February, beginning part of March, something like that. So here we have the actual soil, nicely structured, pulls apart really well, very crumbly, very friable, earthworms, roots. Actually that top kind of 1.5 to 2 inches is almost one solid mat of roots. So that's great. We've had a load of rain recently. You have a look at that. The way the soil is all sticking to the roots, that's an oat plant. Some worms in there as well, so some very nice active soil from a biological point of view. Good structure, not really wet. I mean, it's damp because we've had 15 mil of rain in the last sort of 24 hours or so, but that water is going through that soil profile really nicely, and hopefully storing ready for next year. So cover crops feeding the soil, hopefully feeding the sheep later on in the season. Legumes fixing nitrogen, hoping to reduce the fertiliser bill in the following crop next year. So really pleased with the way this is turning out.